Good morning, children. Today we are going to take the next rest of the questions of exercise 13.3. The question is, a transversal cuts two parallel lines as shown in the following figure. Find the values of angles marked with letters. Now, these are the two parallel lines given to you, and this is a transversal line which is going to cut. These are the angles given to you, and you have to calculate the values of these angles. Only one angle is given to you. Now we have done this parallel lines with the transversal line cut, and we all know what are the properties when we call these two parallel lines parallel. One is the pair of corresponding angles should be equal. Are there any corresponding angles given? No. Okay. Then the second will be that the two angles should form a linear pair. Okay. These two angles A and 80 degree are forming the linear pair. Okay, but before that we have to, and this BA is also forming a linear pair. But for this, we have to calculate the value of B angle. So how will we calculate? You know, this angle will be equal to this angle, because we have done this question earlier in the previous exercise, that the two angles which are opposite to each other and vertically opposite, means this angle and this angle are equal. So we can see the value of angle B is equal to 80 degree. Okay, now this angle B and angle A, B plus angle A is equal to 180 degree, because for the parallel lines these two angles will form a linear pair, and the sum of the linear pair of two angles is equal to 180 degree. Now angle B is given to you 80 degree. So can I calculate the value of A? It will be A is equal to 180 minus 80, that will be equal to 100 degree. So from here, from the first parallel line, we have calculated angle B is equal to 80 degree and angle A is equal to your 100 degree. This we have calculated. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out this D and C angle. Now from this you can predict that whether angle D, so this angle C, this is in interior angle, exterior angle. So these two angles are, which are opposite side of a transversal, are equal. This angle A is equal to 80 degree, angle C will be also equal to 100 degree, angle C is also equal to 100 degree, because these are alternate angles, and alternate angles in a parallel lines, transversal line passing through parallel lines, are equal. So angle A is equal to angle C. Now angle D and C, as you can see, these are forming a linear pair. So you can write angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle D you have to find, angle C is 100 degree. So it will be equal to 180. So angle D will be 180 minus 100 degree, that will be equal to 80 degree. So 80 degree will be the answer. I hope this concept of this question is very clear to you. Only you have to understand what are the important point you have to take when the two parallel lines is cut by a transversal line. One is their corresponding angles are equal. No corresponding angle is given, so we will not take. Second, their interior angles should be equal, like here angle A and C are interior angles, so they are equal, and the two angles should form a linear pair. So these two angles and these two angles are forming a linear pair, that is sum is equal to 180 degree. So with this we can calculate the value of various type of angles.